Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is still struggling. Yeah, Bitcoin has sort of pumped a little bit yesterday, and since then, however, not much has happened. Makes, in my opinion, the bearish scenario that you can see here on the screen a little bit more likely, indicating that this here was the wave 4 peak, and from the wave 3 low, we had an ABC correction to the upside, A, B, C, and that we are now in an impulsive wave down. That is absolutely possible and actually quite likely that we will still make another lower low. In a minute, we'll go to the bullish wave count, because this can also be counted bullish at the moment. Yeah, so because at the moment we are sort of in a range here between the $17,500 low and that, or this swing high here at around 21,700. So what we need to be aware of, that a move above 21,700, above that range, will make a move down less likely. However, we're not out of the woods. Yeah? Even better would be a move above that 23K level. Absolutely. But for now, as long as we are below this $21,700 level, we have to expect lower prices. Yeah, we have to expect it. We are in a possible turnaround space, and I said it before, it's sort of the first time now in 7 months that we have a realistic chance to turn around. But given the weakness at the moment on the chart, and also, yeah, generally across the crypto market and the stock market as well, it will be challenging to break out to the upside. Bitcoin had a few chances here, had a few opportunities, didn't really use them. And yeah, so far we could see this as an impulse down, and we could see this here as a wave 1 down. Yeah, we had a 5-wave move here. I guess this would have been a 1-2, another 1-2. Then this here could have been the 3, the 4, and the 5. Yeah, there's another count possible, 1-2, where then all of this here was a 3. We came up in a small 4 and moved down in a 5. But then overall, that this here then was the wave 2. So we had the wave 1 down, the wave 2 to the upside, and we would now prepare for the wave 3. But if this is the wave 3 to the downside, within the wave 5 here, again, something needs to happen. Yeah, a wave 3 would sell off quite strongly, and if we see on the weekend quite a strong sell-off, then I think we can be quite certain that we are in this scenario. What would need to happen for that? In my opinion, we would need to make a lower low. First of all, of course, below 18,900. Yeah, you can see this swing low here. And then also below 18,570. So these are the key levels. I believe, a move below 18,570 will be a strong, in my opinion, confirmation that we are heading further down here, and would then also retest probably that 17,500 level. And here then we'll see a decision if this will become a double bottom and we are moving up from here, or if indeed this bearish scenario is going to work out. That, if we look at this at the moment, could take us sort of, there was a bit of a move of Bitcoin, therefore we can recalculate the target, take that length of the wave 1, move up to the wave 2 high, and a target would be here around the $15,400 level. So first target, the 100% extension here around 17,500, but that is probably not low enough. I would say here we're looking at the $15,400 level. That would be the target for the next wave down, the wave 3, and a target for the wave 5 to finish then would be here the 2.618 extension at 11,991. This can still unfold a little bit differently. That wave 2 here could go a little bit higher. It has, however, retraced already to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. We can see that here. Yeah, it's retraced to the 61.8 at 20,650 and had quite a strong bearish reaction to it. Didn't make a lower low though. But if you see now the price go below one of these lows, that will be a strong indication that we are going down further. Okay. And the lower we go, especially if we break below that 18,550 level or 540 level, that will be, yeah, a very strong indication that we are heading further and lower down. But bear in mind, key support will be here at 17,600, 17,500 at the swing low. this will be massive support. Now let's take a look at the more bullish wave count here. And yeah, here in this scenario, we can, the bullish scenario would assume that we have moved down here in an ABC correction, a corrective move down, which would be followed by an impulsive move up. What would need to happen for that to make this scenario more likely? Well, first of all, we came exactly here into the yellow target area that I've had on the radar here for over a week now. Which means that this wave 2 here in purple could indeed be complete because it has fulfilled the requirements for this wave 2. We've hit the target area, yeah. There is still a potential to move a bit lower, but you know, looking at the chart here, there is, especially that reaction here, we can assume wave 2 in purple is finished. That means we could also assume that we've moved up here in a wave 1. And that we've come down here in a wave 2 in 3-wave move. So what's coming up here is not very strong though. Yeah, not very strong yet. So this would basically be the wave 1 and the wave 2 of the next larger wave to the upside here, the wave 3 in purple. Yeah, wave 2 in purple finished, wave 3 in purple ongoing. I gave you the key support levels in the bearish count to, you know, just indicate when the bearish count would get more likely. Here, yeah, if this is now, so basically we have a very interesting situation, yeah. So in the bearish wave count, we could now head into a wave 3 to the downside. It would be a very strong sell-off. Here in the bullish count, we would be heading in a wave 3 to the upside. It would be a very strong move to the upside. So the next move, whatever it will be, should be a very strong move, either up or down. And the key support levels I gave you, key resistance levels, yeah, when can we expect some kind of a breakout? Here, in my opinion, above 19,600. You can see that here we had resistance here, we had resistance here were rejected. Yeah, this is basically resistance of the yellow target area. If we move above that, that would be a good indication that here indeed wave 2 this small wave 2 was already finished and we are heading up in a wave 3. A good confirmation then would be the move above 20,400. We had resistance here, and here. So breakout above that level would probably push us higher to that resistance area that you see here between 21,360 and 21,700. And then a breakout above that would be bullish in my opinion, yeah. But the bullish scenario would only become my primary expectation above this resistance area, above 23k to 23.3k. Yeah, and these are sort of the key levels that we're looking at here. You can also look at the VPVR, and you can see here this is a massive area of resistance in which we are now heading, yeah, based on just what we see here. Yeah, this takes a lot of courage and you know, bullishness to go through here. But then you can see as soon as we go above this resistance box, there isn't much there. Therefore, my hope is if we go above that level, we could push quite quickly to that resistance area at 23k. Can also take a look at the EMA ribbon, what it's doing at the moment. We'll just add the EMA ribbon on the chart again. This is now, of course, on the hourly. I guess a little bit more meaningful will be the 4-hour one. So in here you can see we're clearly below the EMA ribbon. So a move above that would indicate bullishness. And again, that would be in line with what I just told you. Sort of this resistance area here. Yeah, first breakout level. On the hourly chart, I gave you that breakout level here of 20,400. And if we look at the 4-hour chart, that would pretty much go in line with breaking above the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour chart. So if we can do this, then probably the EMA ribbon will act as support. Okay, so these are the levels that I'm watching out for. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.